In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email in Gmail on computer or laptop. Let's start right at the beginning. On your computer, open your favorite web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your Gmail inbox with your list of emails. To create a new message, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Compose button. It's usually a colored button that says Compose. Go ahead and click that. A small message window will pop up, typically in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll build your email. At the top of this window, you'll see a field labeled To. Click in that box and type the email address of the person you want to send your message to. Make sure there are no typos, since even one wrong character can send your email to the wrong place or cause it to bounce back. If you want to include additional people, look for the CC and BCC options next to the To field. CC stands for carbon copy. People you add in CC will receive the email and can see who else it was sent to. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Anyone in BCC will also receive the email, but their addresses will be hidden from other recipients. This is useful when you're emailing a group and want to protect everyone's privacy. Next, move down to the subject line. Type a short, clear summary of what your email is about. For example, meeting on Thursday or photos from the trip. A good subject helps the other person understand the purpose of your message at a glance. Below the subject is the large message box where you'll write your email. Click inside and start typing your message. You can keep it simple, or if you want to format your text, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the message window. From there, you can make text bold or italic, change the font size, add bullet points, or insert links. This helps make your email easier to read and more professional. If you need to attach a file, like a document or a picture, look for the paperclip icon near the bottom of the message window. Click it, browse your computer for the file you want to send, select it, and wait for it to upload. You'll see the file appear at the bottom of your message once it's attached. When you're happy with everything, you're ready to send. Look for the blue Send button at the bottom left of the message window and click it. Your email will be on its way. Right after you send, Gmail usually shows a small notification near the bottom of the screen that says the message was sent, along with an undo option. If you spot a mistake or realize you forgot something, click undo quickly. This pulls the email back and reopens it so you can fix it before sending again. And that's all you need to know to send an email in Gmail from your computer